Hello, my art viewers. Welcome to my channel, The Art of Inside Impressions. So, today we'll see the remaining part which we left in our previous video. So, to continue this video, before doing actual process, we'll see do's and don'ts of eyebrows. So, in order to do eyebrows, you need to make a overlapping lines, not straight lines. You need to apply more pressure at the starting and you need to leave your pencil at the end. So this is an application of eyebrows. So but here I am doing the straight lines and the same force I am applying to every fine line. So this is not a correct process, because as I already said, you need to apply more pressure at the beginning and you need to release your pencil in order to get a fine hair at the corner. So this is not application. First someone will do like they'll draw line and on that they'll start drawing hairs. So that is not correct process. We'll see how we need to do. So first you need to make a little light line using H or HB pencil, just because you need to know what is your eyebrow shape. So in order to do successfully, you need to practice these overlapping lines daily. So you need to do this overlapping lines. I already said pressure at the starting and leave your pencil in that way. So you can rotate and you can do this process. So this is really enjoying process and this is really good process. So do practice before actually doing this eyebrows. So first, after drawing the outline, you need to start at the starting using a overlapping lines. So remember one thing, every eyebrow will start with a straight hair. After that they'll lean towards left eyebrow means left side and right eyebrow means right side. So in order to do so, you can do arrows, so that also I'll show. But first you see this properly. Here I'm drawing a uneven hair and I'm giving shading using makeup brush, and again you need to draw hair in between those lines which are left empty. So you can see I'm adding few hairs at the beginning, because I already said straight hair at the beginning and after that they are leaning towards right side, because we are doing right eyebrow, so they are leaning towards right side. So you can add few messy hair here and there in order to give realistic look. So this is not actual process, but we will see how actual eyebrows should be done, and within few minutes we'll go there and we'll see. So before that you keep practicing this overlapping hair so that you can do easily without any efforts. So this is the process of making. I gave just a hint of how to do, and we'll apply this all and we'll make a perfect eyebrow. Again, you should not make a dark outline. It should be so lightly, because it should blend with remaining hair. So make it as light as possible. So to continue with this process, I already did outline. You can see lightly, so you need to apply lightly. And then I'm rotating my pencil and I'm adding few hairs, which you can see I'm following the outline, and in that way only you need to follow. First cover your outline and make it easy as possible, because after covering your outline you'll get an initial idea how to proceed forward. So I'm seeing my reference image and I'm seeing how thick her eyebrows is and I'm adding according to it. So if you want, I'll also provide reference image, or else you can find plenty in Google, so it's okay. Try different angles of eyebrows in order to get grip. Before trying, do overlapping hairs so that process will be easy. So after your initial outline hair is done, continue drawing the messy hair, and that you can fill the centermost hairs. So you need to give messy effect always. So remember one thing, when you're drawing hair, you need to add so that effect will be really beautiful and it will look really like realism. So try doing so. So now we are doing the extra hairs. So extra hairs in the sense the uppermost part of hair. So outline we covered, center hair also is done, and we are giving the fine hair above the eyebrows. So you can see my initial layer is almost done. After this we'll blend makeup brush, and don't use blending stumps because your hair will be washed out and it will look like nothing. You have done nothing and it will look plain. So in order to protect your fine lines in the outline process, so don't use blending stump when you are blending hair. So remember this key tip because this is more useful when you're drawing hair, because you are putting these many efforts to do this tiny small different angle of hair. But if you erase it using blending stump, it is no meaning in that. So use brush in order to protect your fine lines and save it. So again I'm using makeup brush. I'll use makeup brush only because they are really soft and they'll give the soft look, and they'll not damage your paper also and your art also. So trust using makeup brush and make your artwork feel good. So in that way I'll treat my artwork. So that is other story. Again now I grabbed B or 2B pencil, and you can give few other fine lines in different direction, or the lines where you can see the white gaps. So start doing over it, or you can add in between it. And because you can find few hair is thick and few hairs are thin, so the root hairs are thick whereas the tip hairs are thin. So that you can see, you can do like few hair darker and few hair lighter. So I'm adding few hairs in like in front of the eyebrow, so those are straight hairs, so you can see. So in this way you need to add. So add slowly, don't apply equal pressure when you are releasing. So be careful of pressure. So you need to release pressure when you are releasing the hair, so that you'll get a sharp fine tip of the hair. So in this way, so I'll catch hold of the pencil and I'll remove, I'll leave. So catch, leave, hold, leave, push your pencil finely so that you can achieve easily. So push. So later I'll also use 0.3 mechanical pencil in order to give this fine, really fine hair, when you can also call baby hair. So to give that effect also I'll use 0.3 mechanical pencil. So you can use all grades of pencil because every eyebrow, like every hair in eyebrow is not same and not equal. So this is simple process, just filling in eyebrows and blending using your makeup brush and adding a different grade of pencil in between those lines which are left. So you can just fill it. So there is no issue, just enjoy the process. And you need to add here and there hairs, those are irregular, those are bent, those are slightly long, short, everything. So you can see my previous video where I taught how to do this realistic eye. You can see that, and that is also completely real-time video. So you can enjoy the process and you can learn more from real-time videos, as I will discuss everything and I'll explain how to do it. So you can see my all previous videos also. You can see homemade tissue paper, you can see how to make realistic tiger, that is also real time video only. So you can enjoy all my real time videos on my channel. So if you are new to my channel, so please do watch all videos if possible. So that is my suggestion, and you can find good tips, tricks, all suggestions whatever you want. And if you feel you want any new things, do write a mail to me, so I'll try to teach the new things. So stay tuned and learn new things. And it is clear now, I'm adding the messy hair, you can see, and you are getting the realistic output. So try adding as much as possible this light hair, and that will really impact a lot. So try doing this, you'll enjoy. And I'll continue the same process to do the corner of the eyebrow also, and we'll also add a few straight hairs in front of the eyebrow. Let us see that process. So again, you can grab B or 2B pencil, which is having sharp tip, or chisel point tip with sharp one. So, and you can add the front hair which are almost straight. So you need to remember one thing, the arrow of the eyebrow, which I'll teach in the end. So do watch video completely because I added few tricks at the end. So do watch it completely and you'll see how this process can be made easier. So this is the process. So you can darken the few areas and you can leave light areas, and messy hairs you need to add, so on. You should also add this white effect. So this is because you may and you will not have hair somewhere, so you'll find few gaps in between hair. So to show that, you need to add white eraser look. So using that you can add. And messy hairs I'm adding. So it is almost done, and I'll show tricks at the end, so do watch it completely. And I already said I'll teach tricks at the end of the video. So these are tricks for the people who haven't skipped my video and who are waiting till the end. So do watch now and enjoy the process. So you can draw these U shapes throughout the lid. So after that you need to just draw the eyelashes according to the shape. So center towards center, right towards right, and left towards left. So this will be a easy process and you can achieve really good eyelid. So in this way you can do bunch of hairs and you can form overlapping hairs. So this is easy process and do follow if you are beginner and if you are not happy with what directions you are achieving. So you need to add the bunch of hairs and that will be the process. So first, before doing this, you should practice overlapping hairs, that's it, and direction this will follow. Yeah, so before drawing eyebrows, we will see overlapping lines, so which are correct and which are wrong. So overlapping lines are closer towards end and they are distanced at the starting. So starting they are having gap in between, and at the tip of the hair they get overlapped. So this will be the overlapping hairs. So this shape you need to draw and you can achieve this good eyelid. So next one, before drawing eyebrows you need to draw lightly the shape and you need to fill. So before filling you can follow this direction, starting straight, in between it will tilt towards right if you are drawing right eyebrow, left if you are drawing left eyebrow. So at the end it will fall. So eyebrow will fall and lean towards right side totally. So you need to draw straight, tilting and falling eyebrows. So this will be the process. So to the real time video, you can see the previous eyebrow, how we can draw it. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get new interesting videos and tips. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.